So, Rumza, you found new love.
Something like that, you know?
So, my girl, tonight is the night, ne?
Duh. But I'm so nervous. I kind of like him, but I don't understand the wrong signal. And for now, we're just friends getting to know each other. And besides, it's not like we're going on a formal date or something. We're just chilling, ending.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you should go there looking like a rag. How? Jay, I'm sure you also prepared something where now you just need a bit of makeup and a cute outfit. Yeah.
Alright then, babe. Do your magic.
Alright, babes, I'm signing out. Decide one and the love one.
Okay, thank you. Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm coming. Alright guys, this is my room.
Oh.
Yeah. You can come in. Oh, and please don't mind the mess.
Oh, what mess? Tell me. No, come on. When are you just fishing for your own compliments?
You guys can make yourself comfortable and please don't mind the mess.
So guys, I've brought us some stuff to help us relax. We're going to the coffee shop, yes. And guys, I hope you all drink alcohol.
Well, actually, I don't.
Any? That people don't drink in 2018? No, come on. I can understand the weight, but alcohol? No, Temsile, come on. Oh, have you at least tried it or just don't like it?
No, I'm Kazagazam, and you know, I come from a Makaya, and on top of that, my family is very strict. Sonje, I'm getting to a chance.
Oh, that makes sense. But you've got to at least have a glass of wine if you don't smoke. Because otherwise you'd be a very bad host.
You see why I'm like this? The friends I keep are bad influences.
Babe, you're so quiet. Why? Why are you so shy?
Oh, babes, I'm just tired. The tests are really draining me. Plus, I have a presentation in 2 days' time.
Okay. No. Please, Mali, no school talk here. How? We're here just to relax and then for a few hours, and then after that, then we can talk about school. Come on, we'll see that tomorrow. How? Oh no, guys. No. You guys are going to leave. Oh, come on. While we're still having a good time, such a good time. No, come on, guys. Come on, buddy poopas. No, you can't do that.
Yeah, I'm tired. Plus, I want to get some work done before I sleep, guys. We have to go.
Ah man, that sucks. Although we're probably going to shut the party down soon after you leave. I'm a bit tired, and this one has got me feeling a bit weird too.
You totally wasted, hey? I'm joking. You handled it pretty well for your first time. Pilawan is known as a silent killer. You're being a girl.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Something was I been.
Wait for me, bro. I need to go as well.
Yo, don't get Dog, fat. If you don't eat that tonight, dog, you're gonna do some fat, but I think you're not dog. Yes, you're gonna do some fat, dog. She's all over you. Don't piss him off for the moon to fat.
No, bro, you know, I'm gonna do the right thing. Can't no go bad. We're going to our Scott said. No, I've got this shit, man.
Lalela Kelly, uyawashaya amavosho and nami nje ngithe ucosha izitayela. Girl, get a lot.
Yo, why you bukang guy? I guess but yo, I try. Pila, let's impress Upe, Lalela. School life famous Santa my 20 so young, never. Thank you, girl.
Like, seriously, you guys are BFFs now?
Wow. That's a pity, man, because I gotta break them up, man. Babes, I should be leaving in a few minutes, please. What do we need?
Alright, babes.
Oh, thank you so much, guys, for coming.
It was lovely. It was a pleasure, babes.
Yeah.
See you, man.
Look great, dog. What's that?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Awesome.
Your friends are really cool. Again, thanks for the wine. Well,
See, I told you, it wasn't bad as you thought.
I know, hey, but my parents back home will kill me for this, hey. Abfaka utshwala buloyamuzi abfaka nakancane jwade ngikutshelile nje ngasekuqaleni.
Okay, fine. But just hope I won't get into trouble for corrupting the angel.
Yo, sekulate. You. Angeke nto mzomela uhambe ngeclass ekuseni kakhulu. You. Well, this is my usual bedtime, so mina angilali nje. See you some other time, hey.
Oh no, it's fine. Okay, let me go and get bored in my room. Did you think about what I said on WhatsApp about this week?
Njengoba mina ngizela nje Moza.
Oh no, come on. Okay, how about a hug before I go?
Why a hug though?
No, come on, just a hug.
Okay. No.
Oh, come on, Sandy. I thought you wanted this as much as I could.
No. Not that hope.
Oh, no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So, how about the keys on your chicken?
No, man, that's too